All right, it's Mammoth 2012. The January fall count trip.
River fish fry.
Another successful fishing trip.
Got the trout. Coated in Cajun seasoning.
Nice and fresh.
And what was the fish count for you today, Sandro?
3 plus 1 to form one that we had to throw back.
Yeah, the mutant. There.
Released a brownie.
So how many did you bring in today? 2?
2.
Plus the brownie?
2 plus the brownie.
Victor, how many did you bring in?
2.
Sean had 4 or 5 on it. There's
I
Donnie.
had 8,
I got
5, 9,
Of
8.
course, the Pinoy brings in the most.
I got 1. All right, so there. How you cooking this year?
Just gutted them. Skin on. Cut the head. Put a little Cajun seasoning there.
Oh, sure.
Bake them 3.5 minutes on each side.
Nice. Where were these cut? Where were these cut?
Owens River.
Owens River.
The reservoir. Don't forget the fresh veggies.
There we go.
Watch the camera.
It's all good. And what's Sandro doing over here?
Making some salad, fresh salad, mushrooms, 3 different types of lettuce, onions,
Excellent.
tomatoes. It's all good.
14 fish altogether? Yeah. You got it 7? I got 4, but then Sandro's like, why so bad?